A long time ago, there is a farmer with a lots of dreams. A long time ago in China, a Chinese farmer with some small number of farms is very thankful and thoughtful. He wants himself to be a successful person in one day. So he used to water his fields every day. Now nobody knows what is in those fields. The people of the villages say to him, "What are you doing? There's nothing in there. What are you watering? You're watering the ground." Now the farmer say, "No, I'm actually growing the bamboo trees. These are the Chinese bamboo trees." And the people say, "Oh, okay, good. That's a nice." But they are not seeing any type of result. No growing of any type of bud or a leaf from the ground. Now it's around 1 year and people start laughing at the farmer. What do you think? What do you think of yourself? Are you fool? You simple go to the farms and fields and simple watering them the ground and nothing grows here. They started talking about him. But the farmer never loses hope. The time passes, 3 years gone, 4 years gone. Now villagers are started saying that he is a mad person, he don't know anything. But as soon as he enters the 5 years, there's a small growth of plants. And people are amazed. Small fields, small plants all over the field started growing. And the farmer was happy. But in that, as soon as they grow from the ground, within 5 weeks, they reach up to the height of 90 feet. 90 feet. So what do you think? The trees takes only 5 weeks to grow 90 feet or 5 years? It is like that farmer, you don't have to lose your hope. You have to work on your dreams. People will laugh at you. People will say something about you. But if you are consistent and persistent to the things that you are doing to achieve that dream, you will be successful one day. And people will come to you. Please give me some job here. You are so successful. You are so lucky. No. Remember that farmer. People are saying he's a mad. They are laughing at him. But he knows what he's doing. You have to do the things sometimes against the wind. People will say something about you. Don't care about them. They are not doing anything. You are the person who is trying and doing the things to achieve your goals, your dreams. They are your dreams, not theirs. You have to work against the odds and do the things. If you are consistent for a long period of time on a single task or a single goal, then nobody can stop you to achieve that goal. It all goes here in your mind. If you listen to something or somebody saying to you, "You are a fool, you will not succeed in this," and this is what your mind captures. It is what you have to decide what people have to say. You have to accept that or reject that. If that farmer had listened to the villagers, he will not be able to achieve his dream of having a fields of bamboo trees. Now he can cut and sold them at higher prices. He know he's a rich person by now. But for that, he is willing to put all the effort and persistent in the things that he wants to do so that he can achieve that goal. I know you can do that. You are the person who will achieve the things and do the things in the right way, and you will success one day. It is up to you. If you want, you can do it. If you're saying, I can't do it, then it's obviously your mind says you can't do it, and your body reacts to it. And as a result, you will see the things that you can't do it. It is up to you to take a decision and make a dream a reality. But it takes a lot of hard work and persistence to do the things. Are you ready to put the efforts in your dreams to reach the top of the world? Are you still struggling with the people noises in your mind? Rise up and see the things people are doing in their life. They are doing a lot of things, and you are still there sitting thinking of what needs to be done. Start doing right now. People will say anything. If you do something, then again they'll say something. If you are not doing something, they will say. But if you want to achieve your dreams, nobody will take care of those. You and you, only you, have to go towards your dreams, to fulfill all your limits, to overcome all the limits and do the things that you want to achieve in your life. There are a lot of people who are sitting around idle, doing nothing, and talking rubbishly about the government, about the people. This is not good, this is not bad. And they are not doing anything for their dreams. Don't be like those persons. Get up and rise. Start working towards your goals. Have a dream. Have consistent dreams. Persistence toward the goals that you want to achieve. Take persistent steps. Go. All my friends who are watching this video, please don't lose hope of any of your dreams. They will only become reality if you are consistent and persistent in the steps you are taking towards the achieving of that goal. Lots of people said after trying sometimes 1 or 2 times that it's not my cup of tea, I'm not able to do that. See, a lot of people are doing the things which is not possible a decade or 2 decades ago. How? It is only the limit of your mind that makes you to think about that. It is only the restriction in your mind that you can't do that. It is all thinking about the people, what people say about you when you're trying something new. It is all up to you. If you decide you want to go to achieve your dreams and achieve all your targets and become the person you always want to be, then nobody can stop you. Start growing. Start doing the things. And remember this story of a Chinese bamboo tree. Remember that farmer, how people are laughing at him, saying he's a fool, he's a mad person. But he never listens to them. He knows he wants to achieve that goal. He wants to make something valuable in his life. He wants to achieve that dream of his. And in the end, his success. The success is his. He is the one who wins, not the other persons. In the end, the other people will start praising you. will start praising you for your efforts. But for that, be consistent, be persistent. Start from today and don't forget that you have a dream and you will success. Achieve the success one day, whatever happens or whatever it takes, you will achieve that.